In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix inactive conversions in Google Ads. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to diagnose the issue, and what to adjust so your conversion tracking starts working again. First, open Google Ads and head to your account's main view. From the left-hand menu, navigate to Goals, then Conversions, and choose Summary. This page lists all of your conversion actions and their current health. Scan the status column to find any conversion marked inactive or unverified. Inactive usually means the tag hasn't recorded any conversions recently or isn't firing at all. Unverified means Google Ads hasn't seen the tag fire yet. Both point to the same core problem. The tag isn't being detected when the conversion happens. To diagnose it, use the built-in troubleshoot option in the actions column for the affected conversion. This launches Tag Assistant, which lets you test in real time. Enter your website URL and start a test session. Once the site loads, perform the exact conversion you expect to track, submit the form, complete the purchase, or trigger whatever action you defined. Tag Assistant will watch for your Google tag or Tag Manager event and show whether it fired correctly. If the tag doesn't appear or you see a warning, double check the configuration. Make sure your Google tag or Google Tag Manager tag is set up with the correct conversion ID and conversion label for this specific action. You can confirm these values by opening the conversion action in Google Ads and copying them directly. Back in your site's tag or in Tag Manager, paste them exactly as shown, labels are case sensitive, and review the trigger. The trigger should match when the real conversion happens, whether that's a thank you page view, a button click, or a custom event. If your site is a single page app, be sure the tag fires on the completion event, not just a page load. During your Tag Assistant session, repeat the conversion once more to confirm you now see a successful tag fire. If you previously removed the conversion action by mistake, you don't need to recreate it. In the conversions area, open view all conversion actions, change the filter to all removed, find the action and toggle its status back to enabled. It will return to your summary view with all its original settings. After you fix the tag and verified a successful test, give Google Ads a little time to update the status. You can return to the summary page to confirm the conversion is now active. Keep your naming clear and test after any site changes to avoid future inactivity.